I'm packing for vacation. Super excited. We're going to South Padre Island for our 1-year anniversary and we both need a vacation so bad. So it's just gonna be full of like actual relaxing and I can't wait. Let's have the best weekend ever. So I picked out all of my outfits ahead of time and laid them out on the bed. So I asked Wes to do so the night before as well because he's at work right now. So I'm gonna pack for his and her suitcases. I have brand new carry-ons from Level 8 that I'm really excited to show you guys because they're like so sleek and they're just super, super cool. Like they each have a zipperless enclosure, which I think is so amazing. Like it's gonna make getting in and out of the suitcase so much easier, just like a lot quicker. But how sleek are these designs? Oh, so cute. Gorgeous. So it comes with a luggage tag and a little zipper compartment inside the zipper. Olive obviously loves it. Do you like it too? Yes. Mishka likes it too. I put my underwear in this little compartment. I feel like this is gonna hold my swimsuits really perfectly. This is perfect. I'm just gonna line my extra sunnies here. Set this on top. That fits amazing. I'm gonna stick these like under here, I think. Perfect. So organized. And I also have this whole zipper compartment. So like I might slide something in here. Basically done with my carry-on suitcase. I fit all of my swimsuits, pajamas, workout clothes, regular clothes, swimsuit cover-ups, like everything in there, which is amazing. Like it holds a lot. So I'm gonna pack Wes's suitcase and then I'm gonna pack an additional Level 8 suitcase for like our shoes, toiletries, hair products, stuff like that. Are you kidding? Oh my gosh. I am officially like only going to want to use this suitcase or like the zipperless suitcases from now on. So much more convenient. Oh, okay. So a bit of a different enclosure, but it like unhooks per clip. That's amazing. And of course he has all of the compartments in here. This cool little doodah. I really like this midnight blue color. Like this is super sleek. I'm just gonna lay this on top in case he needs it for any like last minute packing things. I mean, I feel like everything fit really, really well. And it just rolls so easily. Oh, they look so good together. His and hers. One more suitcase for the accessories and shoes. All right, so I'm all done packing and I cannot wait. We're leaving, I think at either 3:30 or 4 a.m. tomorrow. So I will see you bright and early and I literally am so excited. Okay, bye. You're just staring at me.
Ready?
What is it?
3:30, so we're late.
Oh, lovely.
We're only gonna be gone for 72 hours.
You act like half that's not your stuff.
Hello. Everyone.
I just took a very long nap.
You were sleepy.
It was like for 2 hours.
I was so bored. I had no idea what to do. So I just sat here in silence because I didn't know. Yes, I did.
You were.
I was doing like this. I was twiddling.
You were twiddling your thumbs the whole time I was sleeping.
Yes, because
Okay.
you wouldn't wake up and hang out with me.
And now we don't even know what to do because the pool is flooded and it's raining and really windy. Like we almost flew away. What are we doing? We're gonna go look at the spa. We're gonna grab a snack at like the restaurant in the hotel. We're gonna get through it. Woo! Baby, I need energy. What should I wear? I like a cozy dress.
Wish I could use my picture like that.
Hey, you got food.
In my life, pretty much immediately.
Decided on this dress. It's a little maxi. Cash, comfortable. I'm not gonna do my hair. Always bring slippers to a hotel room because you never know about the floors, but these are so comfy. I think I'm ready. Do I need a jacket?
We're lounging.
No.
Hello.
Okay. We had a snack. It's super yummy. And it was like $8 for everything. Put on a little blazer. Super cute because we're gonna go
Drive around.
figure out what there's to do on this island.
Are we gonna...
Hair is like...
So we'll go drive, figure out what we want, come home, change, and leave again for dinner?
Okay, so we just got back and showered. We kind of just explored the island. We're gonna go out to dinner. So we found this really cool oyster bar and I'm gonna change into like a blue dress, I think. But I did a cute little braid, so I'm ready. I'm just gonna pick out some jewelry. Really like these rings from Vitali. A little gold watch. I'm gonna wear this snake chain because it's like really simple and pretty. Love you.
Love you.
Perfect. I got this at Target and it was like really inexpensive, like $26 I think, but I love the smell. It's perfect for travel because the lid actually fully closes. Okay, here's the dress, the shoes, and then look at Wes's outfit. Come here.
The shoes. The room key. Great accessory. My shirt has seahorses on it because we're at the beach.
Aw, cute. Yum. Cheers.
I woke up and was like,
Dinner was really good, and now we're back at the hotel and we're just gonna chill. We got some snacks at CVS, like cookies. Woohoo! Excited to sleep. All ready for bed? And as Wes calls them, my caterpillars, I'm cozy. Can't wait to get to bed. So I'll see you guys tomorrow. Good morning. Oh my gosh, it's finally sunny. It's actually so beautiful outside. It like flooded yesterday and today it's actually pretty. I am so tired. We're gonna go get some coffee and walk on the beach. I definitely need to grab my sunglasses. Cheers. So we're on the hunt for a skimboard and possibly a boogie board. Got breakfast and now we're gonna get some activities and go to the beach. I'm excited.
yes.
So we got a skimboard Woohoo! We're gonna share it. All ready for the beach. I'm wearing my mom's old dress that she got in Hawaii in like the 90s. And a really cute bikini, but you'll see that there. And Wes looks super cute, of course. So we're gonna go skimboard. I think they're gonna open the pool soon, even though it's like a few hours late. So here's my little pool outfit. Here's my outfit for our sunset cruise. We're gonna go get some dessert, go on a little dolphin watch sunset cruise, and then we're gonna go head out and get some sushi.
Or a gelato place that.
So gelato and then sunset tour.
Delicious. See, people who don't like banana flavors, weird.
I don't like banana flavors.
Blows my mind. You either love
I
them
like
or hate them.
banana bread that I make, but yeah, I don't like banana. Bird, it's huge. Do you see that? It's scary. Less. In it.
Gonna go see the tour. What's your best dolphin call?
Not.
Oh man. So if she falls in, we're screwed. The sharks will attack her literally first.
Somewhat social animals, not only usually coming closer to check you out, so don't be.
Oh, there they go. Give us your booty.
What?
Give us your booty.
So we're at Hibachi now. To be so yummy.
Yes. I know, that's a good one. All of them are
Very loungy breakfast outfit. We're gonna go to get breakfast. I think we're getting coffee first. And then breakfast. Hello.
Hello.
Cheers. Look at the trees. They're so pretty. We just got to breakfast. Cutie. Should I get pancakes or
Okay.
French toast? Lemon poppy seed pancakes or cinnamon French toast or lox bagel or salmon benedict? The choice.
Let's see, where are they?
These are my lemon poppy seed pancakes. I decided.
This is my taco. I thought I was hungry, so I got 2 tacos.
Pretty good taste, but very homemade.
Do they?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, good.
Tastes like those poppy seed muffins from Costco.
Ooh.
Going down to the pool. What time is it?
Breakfast was good. We are coming down to the pool. Look how cute she looks.
It's so pretty.
Anniversary version right here. We got a massage at 1, so we're gonna let out by the pool first and get even more lobster-esque.
We're so burnt. You're very burnt. I'm like a little tiny tan.
It's the first sun of the
look
season.
great. Can you get 3?
Yeah. Okay.
Massage time. Yay.
Massage.
I'm stoked for this massage. See? So excited. Oh, my massage was amazing. Our massage. Was yours good?
Yes.
Oh, literally amazing. I'm so relaxed. We're gonna eat lunch now at this little like taco stand.
don't know. He calls it Texas hair.
Because it's like humid?
Yeah.
Probably. It's not that smelled that good in a long time. Hello, handsome.
Hello, baby. These are the world's largest oysters. Look at that bad boy.
They look amazing. This is the biggest oyster. We need that one first.
Okay.
This looks so good.
Yeah, thank you.
How's that look?
It looks delicious.
Thank you.
The star of the show. Are you sure about that?
Very sunburned and exhausted. I'm gonna go to bed and wake up. And we leave tomorrow. Woo-hoo. Get to go home and see the little kikis. Breezy. We're going to get coffee and go to the beach. My hair looks crazy. What a beautiful morning.
Cheers.
Okay. So cute. Cute. Oh.
Boom.
A little bit bigger than it was when we left. Whew. Baby, it's heavy.
Perfect.
You look pretty cool, baby. You look like you shred waves.
Look like I know what I'm doing.
Yeah, when you're skimboarding,
It's not that cool.
it didn't look cool.
Yeah, well.
You kind of felt a lot.
Neither did you.
I didn't pretend to be cool.
I wasn't. I told you I wasn't good.
Okay, you ready?
Yeah, let's do it.
Okay, let's go. A hottie with a skimboard in the wild.
It's wild.
Ah. Look at this tan glow I have. Are you tan? Oh, wait, get it big tan. Tan.
10.
Walking. And we're off.
Good weekend.
Very good weekend. Souvenirs. Hello.
Hello.
Thank you. The eye. Can I hang this up in your car?
No.
We're at Chili's. How's your Chili's experience so far?
I love this place.